Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, beef and mushroom stir fry. So guys, today I'll be sharing with you one of the most delicious beef stir fried recipe. Plus this recipe is so tasty and flavorful. Everyone is going to love it. So my friend, to begin, you want to go ahead and chop your mushroom into small slices. So my friend, on this channel I bring you guys some of Caribbean most delicious recipe that you can easily make. Next, for this recipe, you're going to need 1.5 pounds of beef, chop into small slices. Next, for marinating, I will go ahead with soy sauce, a pinch of black pepper, and also 2 tablespoons of honey. For additive taste, 4 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Next, in a heated pot, a bit of oil and also chopped garlic. Next, I will go ahead and add my chopped mushroom and stir fry for 2 minutes. So my friend, for flavor, you just want to go ahead and add a pinch of salt and then remove. Next, you want to go ahead and add a bit of oil and also chop onion and stir fry it for 2 minutes as well. Next, my friend, you want to go ahead and add a bit of oil. Next, add your chopped beef and stir fried until fully cooked. So my friend, for this recipe we need to create a unique and also very tasty sauce using soy sauce and also a bit of honey. Next, my friend, I will add this to my pot and also my additional ingredients and stir fry for a minute or two. So my friend, for some of our latest videos and also clips, you can certainly follow us on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and also be sure to like. So my friend, to finish it off, I will go ahead and add my stir-fried mushroom and also onions. So my friend, at this point we are all done. I do hope you give this recipe a try and also subscribe for more easy video recipe, beef and mushroom stir-fried recipe. Thanks for watching. Until next time.